drama of this film. Irene.
Irene.
What happened before?
Ricky,
Yes.
we are watching the movie. We want to watch the movie. We are here sitting. You scared the hell out of us when you came in. You've opened the door without saying anything. Drunk as hell. Just let us be. Just leave us alone.
Yeah, but what is the drama of this film?
He doesn't understand, like, seriously.
Because I love the film.
You said you don't like romantic film.
Yeah, it's true.
So why don't you go to bed?
Yeah, I drink this beer and then I go to bed.
But you say you were drunk. Why
Yeah,
are you
but
still drinking?
When I'm drunk, I like romantic film because I'm deeply romantic.
Deeply.
Not in surface, but deeply, very deeply. You know what I mean, mate?
Mate, why are you calling me mate?
Because you are my mate.
I'm not a guy. I'm
You
not a
are-
mate.
You are my flat mate.
Yeah, you can call me love or
Love,
darling.
Flat love.
Love flat. You can call me darling.
Darling. Flat darling.
Flat darling.
Yes.
I don't want to interrupt, but we are missing the...
Yeah, we're gonna get back. I cannot lose this. I seriously.
No,
I need to have a
don't
video
put
of you.
some Facebook, don't put some Facebook. If not, my father beat me.
Beat you.
Yes.
He's worse than you, your father.
Yes.
Yeah, it's true. So, was the girl nice or not?
Of course. Every girl on here was nice.
Really?
Yes.
Every girl.
Not every, but a lot of.
Almost.
Almost.
Yeah.
The most of.
Yeah. You like ugly girls. We
No.
don't understand why.
I like every girl.
You like every girl.
Yes.
Even the ugly one.
No.
No?
But are not girl for me, the ugly one.
No? So, tell us about your night then.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah. You kissed someone?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, you did. That's
Yes.
nice.
One Austria girl.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Yes.
But I thought it was from Australia. I'm a little bit confused.
You were a little bit confused.
Yes.
And why is that?
What?
Why is that?
Why I'm confused?
Yes.
Because she told me from Austria, and I thought it was from Australia.
Okay, that's a good reason then. Okay. Look at his face. Please.
I drink on.
Yeah, you can drink. I'm gonna keep filming you. Then,
Don't worry.
yeah, you're beautiful.
Tomorrow, and I will be famous.
Yeah, of course. You're so handsome. I need to keep filming you.
Thank you.
No worries. I love you so much.
I love you.
Too. You're so ugly. Oh, che bonito.
Bonita, te quiero.
Oh my God. What's
Quiero
that?
Huh?
Te quiero. In spagnolo, mi vuoi bene?
Fare portoghese.
Ah, parlo portoghese.
Io sei
Eu
fare
sei.
portoghese.
Ah, que bravo. E que mais?
Io te amo.
Ah, sí. Yo también.
Io también.
¿Tú quieres hablar español? ¿Tú quieres hablar español? Ciao, Mozart. Cosa hai detto?
Ciao, Mose.
Digli che stai scherzando.
Io sto scherzando.
Scherziamo. Si dice, sto brincando.
Sto brincando.
Ecco, sto brincando perché
No.
sto bebado.
No? Brincando.
Perché sto chapado.
Come si dice? Sto?
Chapado.
No.
Sto? I'm
No.
joking. In che lingua lo vuoi dire? Boh, non sai neanche tu cosa devi dire. Guarda te come hai preso questo.
Non so.
Can you believe? Thursday night, he needs to work in 5 hours. And he's here, drinking beer, drunk as hell.
Yes.
keeps talking about bullshit.
It
About
was your fault.
Man, that would be you. That would be you, my friend.
Yeah,
Yes.
because you can't come out with me.
Why? She
don't
didn't
know.
want to come out with you. It's not
I
that
don't
she
know why.
couldn't.
Ask her.
Ask her. She's here. You can ask yourself.
Why?
Why? She doesn't like you, Ricky. It's not every girl that likes you.
No. She said no.
It's not that impossible not to like you.
Why?
You're not that handsome.
Why? I'm
No.
not awesome.
You're not.
Ashloch.
No.
I'm not Ashloch. Why?
No, you're so beautiful, Ricky.
No,
We
no.
love you so much.
No, don't tell bullshit.
Don't tell bullshit. Okay. Okay, say bye. I'm gonna close the video.
Bye, Jordan.
Jordan.
Come si chiama? Quello che suona. Mozart.
Mozart. Ciao, Rodi. Ciao, Mozart. Ecco, è andato bene di nuovo. Ciao.